Some define a gate as a movable barrier permitting passage through an enclosure. But at National Hardware, we define it as opportunity. A door that opens up to a world of gate hardware possibilities. We offer everything from hinges, locks, springs, latches, pulls, and gate hardware kits to suit all of your home or farming needs. You can always feel secure with our hardware built to last. Whether it's our reliable automatic gate latch or our revolutionary smart key gate lock, our bold design and engineering serves to protect. And when it comes to Mother Nature, we've got you covered. Our WeatherGuard benefits provide superior rust protection and extends the life of outdoor hardware. Built from high-grade material, it's safe to use with pressure-treated ACQ lumber. So the only thing you need to worry about is the paint color for your gate. Our gate hardware solutions combine stylish design, providing stunning curb appeal with durability and quality. National Hardware. Welcome home.